Hi there, I'm Teresa Henderson with Torsten Harvester Arms and Sundry. Today I'm going to show you one of the products we're going to be rolling out soon, and I'm really excited about this. These are Sari Skirts, and they are made from recycled saris and are ethically sourced from India. These are so fun and I'm entirely obsessed with them right now. They're double-sided, so you get two skirts for one, and they can be worn as a dress, a skirt, or there are shorter styles that can even be worn as a top. So they're super versatile and a lot of fun to play with. They come in all kinds of fun patterns and combinations. So today what I want to show you is how to tie this as a dress. There was a style that I did the other day that I had a lot of requests for showing how to tie it. And so that's what I'm going to show you today. I'm going to walk you through the steps. So we're going to start by putting the long layer toward our body, and we're going to wrap that behind. We're going to put it behind our back and wrap it around to the front, under our armpits, over our bust, and we want to center the overlap right at the center of our body. So once you have that centered, you can pull that tight over the top of your bust, bring the straps underneath your armpits, and crisscross behind your back, around back to the front, and tie it right under your bust, and just pull that snug. So this is one style that you can do as a dress to begin with, but when I came up with this style, I was trying to get more coverage over the top and to cover bra straps, and so I played with it off and on through the day till I got what I wanted, and it turned out to be pretty simple, so that's what I'm showing you today. So to get that top part of this dress, we're going to use the top layer of the sari skirt. So what we're going to be doing is taking this top short layer and bringing it up, half of it up over our back, the front part up the front, and we're going to tie that at the peak of our shoulder. So it's actually easier to start with the back part of the skirt, so that's what I'm going to do. It's a little tricky sometimes getting it up over our shoulder. You're just going to gather a portion from the back and bring that portion from the front, and you're just going to tie it right there at the peak. You can pull it snug at your armpit and tie that right up at the peak of your shoulder. Now this might require some adjustment after you've finished it, but you can always make adjustments to how snug it is or how much fabric is on each side once you kind of have an idea of how this works. So there's one side done, and we're going to work on the other side now. So again, we're pulling that fabric from the back part over our shoulder. We're going to gather up all that extra fabric from the back now, and we're going to bring that center front part up as well. So we're using that short layer again, the rest of what's on the back and the rest of what's at the front, and we're going to tie that at the peak of our other shoulder. So at this point we are almost done with this style. It's pretty quick and simple, and I love the result of it. All right, so that's what it looks like when it's finished. You can definitely make little adjustments to it, get it just how you want it, but it's pretty quick and simple to do. It's a great option. I'm definitely going to be wearing my skirts like this more often. I hope that you'll take time to show me how your version turns out. Hopefully this tutorial was helpful to you. If you want to follow our progress with getting these skirts in, you can definitely follow us on Instagram and on Facebook. You can also check out our website and follow and see what other products that we have at www.torstenandharvester.com. I hope you have a great day.